Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic with animations and transitions. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic. So be sure to watch the video till end, but first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like these. And don't forget to like the video and comment down to let us know about your opinion. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank template in PowerPoint, go to format background and give it a solid fill of black. We're gonna go to shapes and add a rectangle this thick, and we're gonna change its color to white, and we're gonna rotate it like this. And the next thing we're gonna do is adjust it and go to align it into middle and the center. Remove this outline and give it gradient of white and black. We're gonna give the following settings of the gradient. Go to format shape and give it some presets. And in size, we're gonna increase the size of the shadow. Go to format shape and add a rounded corner rectangle like this right here, and add another rectangle right here and rotate it and put it onto this rounded corner rectangle, increase its size. And what you're gonna do next is rotate it as well. And then what you're gonna do next is adjust it into the middle of that rectangle, decrease its size a little bit, select both the shapes, go to merge and intersect. We're gonna remove this remaining part, and we're gonna leave the useful part that is we're gonna use in our infographic. Let's just rotate the shape, and the next thing we're gonna do is place it next to this line, and that rectangle we're gonna place it right here on top of this rectangle, and let's adjust it. There you go. I have adjusted it, and the next thing we're gonna do is duplicate this shape, and we're gonna duplicate it another time and decrease the size of each of the shape. There you go. Now let's put them side by side with equal positions and equal distances. Now the next thing we're going to do is select each of them and give them gradient. For the first one, I have used pink, dark purple gradient color, and for the second one, I'm going to use bright yellow, orange, and a bit of red color. And there you go. I'm adding about 3 gradient strokes in each of the shape. And for the last shape, I'm gonna use some lime green and green and parrot green color for the gradient. There you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select each of them and remove the outlines. Now go to Insert tab and go to Shapes and add a rectangle right here. And you're gonna go to Shape Format and Shape Effects and give this bevel effect. And we're gonna give it gradient but change its color. There you go. Let's change the direction of the gradient. Let's increase the transparency. So there you go. Duplicate the shape and put each of them next to this shape and send them to the back. There you go. I'm going to duplicate it again and send it to the back of the third shape. Let's adjust them. Now the next thing we're going to do is adjust all of them and send each of them to the backward of each of the shape. And what we're going to do next is change the colors according to the shape colors, and we're going to give it the same gradient as the shape colors. Now the next thing you're going to do is add your title and your subtitle and the content of the infographic. There you go. I'm going to put each of the tags onto each of the shapes. Now I'm going to select the headers and I'm going to change their color according to the shape colors. Now I'm going to give them text effects. There you go. Let's adjust each of the shape and the text along with them. Let's select the subtitle and change their color according to the shape's color as well. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab and Shapes and add this, duplicate this shape. You're gonna increase its size, well like this, and don't change the rotation of the shape. Change the gradient, give it solid fill of white color, and rotate it a little bit according to the shape's rotation. And the next thing we're gonna do is rotate it like this. Now increase its size. Go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle right here like this. And select this rectangle and decrease its size. And select this second rectangle and put it right outside the slide and right outside the border of the template that it touches the border. So let me just adjust them. Select both the shapes. Go to merge and subtract them and do the following with this remaining outside of the square as well. Go to picture text to fill and insert your picture, uncheck this box, and there you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is select each of the shapes and go to shape format and add a rectangle right here, and I'm gonna give it gradient. Let's change its color, decrease its size, and decrease its width, and let's do some changing in the gradient stops. Let's use eyedropper for the color, and I'm gonna use green, purple, and pink color. Now select it and duplicate it and move the duplicated shape onto the right corner of the slide. And what we're gonna do next is select it and go to shapes and add another rectangle right here onto the top and give it another color of yellow, and we're gonna decrease its size. And now we're gonna copy it and paste it and move that pasted one onto the bottom of the slide and send it to the back. And the next thing we're gonna do is adjust all of them into the corners of the template. There you go. Now let's give all of them some animations. And the animations I'm gonna use are fly in. I'm gonna give the timing as well. Let's change the timings. Be sure to use the same animations and give the same timing for the same result. Let's change the animation effects, and there you go. And that was all you had to do. Now I'm gonna use this animation and I'm gonna increase the size, and I'm gonna click on the if on the option of I'm gonna click on the option of with previous. There you go. That was all you had to do. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and content like this. Don't forget to like the video and comment down to let us know about your opinion. And this was all for today in this video. And I'll come with another amazing video soon. So that was all.